जैन फिलोसॉफी के सारे पिलर्स आप एक्सप्लेन करते हैं और उसके अंदर एंड इनफैक्ट आई हैव आल्सो सीन फ्यू टेक्स्ट बुक्स जो जैना की है which is part 1 then you go to part 2 then you pass
yes yeah. And every time they have to stay at least 2 years in the same class,
right,
so that way they get better understanding about Jainism.
Right.
We have also scholarship committee which gives a scholarship to the the student
right.
who senior who has a citizenship or the green card.
Right.
We also have a student loan. For the that is also for the who has a like green card or the citizenship.
Right.
So we also give that. We also have a diaspora committee which they go around the world and they meet each and every sangh or or anywhere the Jainism is there. They meet them and talk about it. Right. We have a government committee. Last year we had a chance to meet मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी और प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, उनके साथ हमारी 40 मिनट की बात भी हुई थी.
और ये कमिटी कोऑर्डिनेट्स विद द ऑफिशियल.
Yes, yeah. We also went to White House to do the Diwali.
Wow.
We also go to the Capitol Hill. So sometimes we do have to pay money and sometimes we do not. But basically this government committee, they take care of all the government related and public relation kind of work,
Right.
We have an award committee who gives the award for, global awards. So last year we gave 2 global award for the India, somebody, and then also 1 award in the UK. And then we also have a Jaina Ratna Award. 1 single award goes to Jaina Ratna Award.
That is every year.
Yes. Yeah. We also have a fundraising committee. We also have Jain Center Liaison Committee. So what they do, that basically they connect with each and every Jain Center. They make sure that their needs, they need technology, finance, or anything they want, right? The Jain Center, so basically we help them, how can you do financially transparent? Because financial transparency is very important for any organization.
True.
If you not transparent, people do not trust you, right?
Absolutely.
So we also help them. We also in technology, all this we help them. We also have Jain Center Assistant Committees. We just started 6 months back, and that committee helps the new Jain Center to start the Jain Center. Where is a lot of folks migrated from here and everywhere, and they went to small cities. So they are 50 family, 100 family. So we are asking them, why don't you start your Jain Center?
Right.
We will try to help you as much as we can.
Right.
From other fund.
Right.
Not from the Jaina, but at least getting the fund from different people or the individual people.
Right.
We have Jain Got Talent, the singly like India Got Talent.
Wow.
That is happening
across all centers.
It happens in Jaina Convention.
So
this all happens in mostly some of the things is happening in Jaina Convention.
Right.
We also have Volunteer Service Award, which is coming from actually White House.
Right.
But because of the Trump is right now, it is stopped right now, but it will come back sometime, but these are the things happening. We are actually building 300 houses in Orlando, Illinois for the seniors.
Wow.
So we are asking all the seniors who are alone, or maybe they are, now later in their life, they want to live there, then they can live there. So we are working on that creating.
This is for Jains?
This is for Jains. Non-Jain can come, but then they will only have a Jain temple there. They will only have Jain Purut. So
right. It will be a Jain way of life.
Yes, Jain way of life. Yes,
right.
Yes. We have a doctors, telehealth committee, which is anytime anyone want to ask about the, initial consultation, then they can
guidance. Maybe
you can get
in any medical issue.
We are working on other committees that basically lawyers or other, so we will be creating those committees. So then people get the initial consultation about advice about anything related to that. Women's empowerment is really, really big in good committee, and they do lots of work.
Right.
They also do the about 4 to 5 hours of workshop during the convention, and in between they also invite a lot of good speaker for the women's and it's not only women can participate, even men can also participate. So these are all the different committee doing different work, and these all committees are independent. They bring the fund and they'll spend.
Right.
We as a Jaina is administrative, and these all committees are under the Jaina.
Right.
But they all doing great work. Each committee has their own chairperson or members and everything. But
they do consult with the committee regarding their initiative. Or
yes. they have to come to Jaina Activity Committee to consult about the spending money and things like that. So this is really great work is happening since 1981, and every year it goes more stronger, united Jains and Jaina.
Almost 45 years of experience, almost 44 years, I guess, yeah.
Yes.
Which is very, very huge. And if, the most important part जो आपने सारी बातें बताई, उसमें से मुझे ये लगता है कि कोई पंथ का भेदभाव नहीं है, पहली बात. दूसरी बात, जैन फिलॉसफी के बारे में कैसे हम आज के समय के साथ जुड़कर लोगों तक पहुंच सकते हैं, that's really fantastic. When you observe things from US, maybe, you want certain changes here in India. You feel that if this is implemented, we can have the mission of uniting Jains the way Jaina is doing right now.
Yes.
So your opinion on that?
So I don't want to comment in the.
No, I understand, but your experience, your suggestions will be very important.
I asked a similar question that to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi that, can you, I will get you all the good, this our Acharya Maharajis.
Ji.
But then can you come and join on Zoom call? You know what he answered me? He said, the difference between there is like basically when you are on the land, your temperature is whatever it is temperature. And when you are on top of the Himalayan, what is the temperature? That is the difference between, each and every Maharaj from being, part of the
observation,
all the way to the Himalaya,
Right.
That's the difference. So it's very hard. Everyone need to understand that, we are very, very few Jains in the whole world.
True.
And we do lots of good work. We spend lots of money. If we can take this all money routed into the right way, what I believe it, जहाँ जिनालय होता है, वहाँ विद्यालय होनी चाहिए, वहाँ चिकित्सालय भी होनी चाहिए.
Wonderful.
So ये होनी ही चाहिए. और हमारा काम ये होना चाहिए कि सेवा, शिक्षा और सत्कार्य, यही हमारा गोल होना चाहिए. आप किसी भी जैन स्टूडेंट वहां पर है, उनको पूछेंगे कि आप क्या जानते हो जैनिज्म को, तो वो कितना सारा बताएंगे. यहाँ पर क्या होता है कि जब भी वो पाठशाला में बच्चे जाते हैं तो उनको
किसी सूत्र की बात
करते हैं, लेकिन फिलोसॉफी नहीं सिखाते.
हाँ.
तो जब भी हमारे बच्चे हमको भी कभी कहते हैं, डैडी दिस इज नॉट जैनिज्म, whatever you are doing. So ये हमको सिखाते हैं कि
because they have understood core Jainism philosophy.
बराबर है. Yes. So and they also feel that all living beings are our friends.
Right.
So this is really great. We are very united. Also now I went to Dubai. I want them to join in Jaina. I'm going to go UK soon this year sometime. I want them to join also in Jaina. I, talk to the African, these all Jain sons. I want them to. It's very hard for me to go in India and ask them to join in Jaina.
I know. But your experience and the way Jaina functions is really a lighting guide for all of us, and lot of things to learn from there. And that's the only intention. It's with no intention that हम किसी को कहना चाहते हैं कि आप सही है, आप गलत है, लेकिन कहीं से अगर कोई चीज सीखी जा सकती है तो उसमें हर्ज क्या है. और आपके अनुभव से बहुत कुछ सीखने मिल रहा है.
अरे क्या है, हम लोग शिकागो में क्या होता है मालूम, 11 क्रिकेट टीम है हमारा जैन में.
ओके.
लेकिन क्रिकेट टीम में वो कोई सितंबर है तो कोई दिगंबर है, लेकिन एक साथ मिलके काम
और उनका मकसद ये है कि मैच जीतना है.
हाँ, मैच. लेकिन उससे जैन सोसाइटी को क्या फायदा होता है मालूम?
हाँ,
बड़ा टीम मिलता है.
राइट.
जो वो वॉलंटियर वर्क मिलता है.
राइट.
वो भी ऑल्सो अच्छे जॉब करते हैं, तो वो 3-4 फैमिली साथ होते वो घी बोली करते, तो उसमें पैसे भी बहुत अच्छे.
बिल्कुल.
तो वो फंड भी रेज होता है, उनसे टीम वर्क होता है, वॉलंटियरिंग वर्क होता है, लेकिन बिगर पार्ट इज यूनिटी होता है.
एब्सोल्युटली.
हमारे वहाँ वो सीनियर सेंटर है. सीनियर सेंटर में भी ग्रेट, बिकॉज सीनियर इज सीनियर, डजंट मैटर व्हिच फिरका में से आते हैं ना,
बराबर है,
फिर भी इट क्रिएट्स यूनिटी, राइट. सो दिस इज ग्रेट. इवन महिला मंडल डजंट मैटर, दे आर महिला मंडल डज द श्वेतांबर पूजा और समथिंग, everyone involves.
Right.
So basically, it creates a good unity, and we keep continue that unity.
And you have seen that power of unity, जिस तरह से सबको साथ लेकर आप चल रहे हैं. You were talking about, uniting Jains in UK and also in some African countries. आपका ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या है? जैनों की जनसंख्या विश्व में, क्या हमारे पास कोई एक अंदाज है या उस पर काम करना चाहिए? क्योंकि जीसो यानी जैन इंटरनेशनल सेवा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जिनके साथ मिलकर ये हम पॉडकास्ट कर रहे हैं, जिनके जरिए ये मंच हमें मिला है, सुरेश जी पुनिया जिन्होंने शुरुआत की, तो वो ये चाहते हैं.
I do not believe that we should ask anyone to convert into Jainism.
No, not conversion. But I'm just saying those who are already.
Right. Oh, those who are. So then, if we want them to stay as a Jains, then we have to teach them core, understanding of Jainism.
Also, my question is कि क्या वो substantial number of Jains अब बाहर भी हैं? मतलब वो फिगर कितना होगा, क्या होगा, एक अंदाजा? पूरे इंडिया में तो ऑब्वियसली वो एक सेंसस की जरूरत है. आपको लगता है वर्ल्ड ओवर एक प्रॉपर सेंसस भी होना चाहिए so that we
होना चाहिए, लेकिन what I heard that मेरे ख्याल से 45 लाख
Okay.
Something that
वही है, मतलब एक अंदाजा ही हम लगाते हैं, बट हम श्योर नहीं है कि
श्योर नहीं. लेकिन नहीं, हमारे नॉर्थ अमेरिका में हमको मालूम होता है because each and every member are members of the local Jain center.
Absolutely.
Local Jain center.
So you have a correct figure there.
Mostly मैं बोलता हूँ कि हमारे वहाँ 250,000 होगा,
right.
दोनों में से ही.
right.
लंदन और वहाँ मालूम नहीं है, लेकिन यहाँ पर 250,000 होगा.
वंडरफुल. मतलब एक तरीका ये भी है, जिस तरह से ऑर्गेनाइज तरीके से आपने सेंटर्स के साथ लोगों को कनेक्ट किया है, एंड देन द सेंटर्स आर कनेक्टेड टू जैना, देन यू हैव अ नंबर देयर, राइट? अनदर ओपिनियन व्हिच आई वांट, क्योंकि आप इतना काम करते हैं और इतनी अलग अलग फील्ड में जैना काम कर रहा है, which is really really commendable. You're actually creating a positive impact in society. The world needs it, and I always call Jainism, of course a lot of people say that Jainism is a religion, I call it a way of life. And वही वे ऑफ लाइफ आप सब तक पहुंचा भी रहे हैं, और कैसे उसमें बने रहें, कैसे उसको फॉलो करें, ये आप पहुंचा रहे हैं. जीर्णोद्धार की बात मैं करना चाहता हूँ. लॉट ऑफ पीपल एंड लॉट ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस दे से दैट जो हमारे हजारों सालों से पुराने मंदिर हैं उनका रिनोवेशन होना चाहिए, जीर्णोद्धार होना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि आप डिमोलिश करके फिर से कुछ नया ही बना दे. इस पे आपका क्या ओपिनियन है हेरिटेज को बचाने को लेकर? क्योंकि हैदराबाद में भी एक इस तरह की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो काम कर रही है.
मेरा मंतव्य है कि हेरिटेज तो बचानी चाहिए
जी.
वेदर इट इज जैन टेम्पल or any temple or even any nature,
right?
If you save the heritage and if you create the best thing, you can create best tourism even in this country,
right?
Or any country,
right?
So we always should focus on the heritage, otherwise once it goes, basically there's nothing left.
True.
So I believe that we should save the heritage,
right?
But at the same time, we should, have the temple where there is no temple in surrounding. Okay, like example,
एक इधर बना दिया, उसके पास में एक बना दिया, ऐसा नहीं.
ये नहीं होना चाहिए.
हाँ.
Like हम जाते हैं पालीताना में, इतने सारे टेम्पल है.
जी. मुझे
नहीं मालूम कि जो मेरे ख्याल से जितनी हमारी जो बस्ती है ना जैनों की, उससे ज्यादा तो भगवान की मूर्ति वो सब जगह होगी. I don't know how many people are actually doing the work puja, every day in their life.
तो आपका ये मानना है कि इसमें थोड़ा सा हम सोच समझ के जैन टेम्पल बनाए, ताकि, और जैसा आपने थोड़ी देर पहले भी कहा कि जहाँ जिनालय वहाँ विद्यालय, इस बात को भी आगे लेकर चले.
यस, जो देखो ये हम लोग मानते हैं, भगवान महावीर क्या मानते थे कि मैं आपका मित्र तभी हूँ कि जब मेरे सब मित्रों के साथ आप मित्रता करेंगे.
सही बात है.
Right? So, no doubt we are focusing on Jains and Jainism, but at the same,
humanity is the
humanity.
Of course,
so we should believe in humanity. करुणा भाव तो हमको रहना ही
100%
इसी को देखकर. So, मेरे ख्याल से lot of organization in this country and even in out of country actually does lot of this humanity work.
Absolutely. मैं जानना चाहूंगा, ये जो जीसो का प्लेटफॉर्म है, अभी जैसे आपने आज ही शायद जाना एंड देन यूर ऑन दिस पॉडकास्ट, वो मुलाकात कैसे हुई, क्या आपको बताया गया, एंड व्हाट आर योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस? बिकॉज देन यू सेड कि नो, चलो लेट्स डू द पॉडकास्ट ऑन अ वेरी शॉर्ट नोटिस. थैंक यू फॉर दैट. लेकिन आप कुछ अगर बताना।
I do not have much knowledge about JISO because I met
सुरेश जी पुनिया
we met with Samasta Mahajan. So I don't have enough information, so I cannot comment on it.
Right. So JISO, I'll tell you, is a digital platform which is initiated by Suresh Ji Punya. Is the founder president, and his intention is uniting Jains through the digital platform.
Yes, I remind it down. Right. Yes.
So your opinion?
Yes.
Yeah.
So basically, I think this is a good work. This is good thing that he's doing. I think the approach I told him, the way we should do. I remember now the approach we should do that. Let's take example that Mumbai है. मुंबई में मेरे ख्याल से 1000 संघ होंगे. 1000 संघ को each and every member को उसके संघ में ऑफिशियली मेंबर बना के उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन होनी चाहिए.
राइट.
फिर ये जो संघ है उनके जैसे जैना के है ना, ऐसे एक अम्ब्रेला ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मुंबई का होना चाहिए.
राइट.
मुंबई में ये जब संघ है ना, वो ये और जो अम्ब्रेला ऑर्गेनाइजेशन उसमें उनको मेंबर,
जैसे जैन सेंटर जैना को रिपोर्ट कर रहा है, वैसे जैन संघ इस अम्ब्रेला ऑर्गेनाइजेशन
मुंबई को करेंगे. फिर मुंबई जैसे ऐसा अनेक सिटी है, वो महाराष्ट्र में कोई होगा.
राइट.
A1
और फिर एक नेशनल
लेवल पर.
राइट.
तो ऐसे करेंगे तो उनको जो कार्ड बना है डिजिटल उनको बनाना है, उनकी जो काउंट करना है कि हाउ मेनी Jains are there.
Right.
It's easy to do that.
Right.
That's what we do in North America.
Right.
So that's easy to do it, and I think he should focus on more on that.
Right.
If he can do out of a country somewhere else, maybe in Dubai or even Gulf Gulf countries or even UK, I'm sure he should be able to find that. The only thing is that nowadays everyone is too private. In privacy, they don't share anything much.
Right.
So it's not that easy, but it's not even hard either.
जिसो जैन एकता महाअभियान से आज ही जुड़ें. आगामी 31 मार्च को तीर्थंकर भगवान महावीर स्वामी जन्म कल्याणक दिवस को जैन एकता दिवस के रूप में मनाएं. अभूतपूर्व जैन एकता का प्रदर्शन करें. इस वीडियो को सभी जैन ग्रुप्स में अधिक से अधिक साझा करें और अखंड जैन समाज के निर्माण में सहभागी बनें. धन्यवाद.